Mmm, this curry is so yummy. Uzma, aren't you eating with wrong hand? Oh, Uzma, I think we need to talk about how Prophet Muhammad taught us to eat.
Everyone, let me teach you about the beautiful way Prophet Muhammad ate his food. Prophet Muhammad always ate with his right hand. He said, eat with right hand and drink with right hand. Prophets taught us, right hand for eating, drinking is blessed and pure, left hand for cleaning other tasks. This keeps our food blessed.
I want to eat the right way, like Prophet Muhammad taught. I'll use my right hand from now on. Look, Uzma is trying her best. She's eating with right hand now, just like Prophet Sallallahu. Me too. I'm using my right hand like Prophet Sallallahu. This is the Sunnah way.
MashaAllah. Hafsa was already eating with right hand correctly. She learned this Sunnah before. What a beautiful example. Bismillah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Remember all the beautiful manners. Eat with right hand. Take small bites. Don't rush. Chew properly. Have good.
MashaAllah. Now whole blessed family eats together with beautiful perfect manners. Bismillah before, right hand during, good.
Allah, food tastes more delicious when we eat the Sunnah way. That's the barakah. When we follow Prophet Muhammad's way, Allah blesses us. Want to learn more beautiful blessed table manners and Sunnah? Subscribe now for more inspiring Prophet Muhammad stories. Next episode, learn when to say Bismillah for everything you do. Another beautiful blessed Sunnah. Remember everyone, always eat with your right hand. This is Prophet Muhammad's beautiful blessed way. Assalamu alaikum.